Party people! It goes a little something like this. Tag team, back again. Check it, direct it, let's begin. Party on, party people, let me hear some noise. DC's in the house, jump, jump, rejoices. There's a party over here, a party over there. Wave your hands in the air, shake the dairy, yeah. These three words mean you're getting busy. Whoop, there it is, hit me. Whoop, there it is. 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 Whoop, there it is.
I got a new life, you would hardly recognize me. I'm so glad. How can a person like me care for you? Why do I bother when you're not the one for me? Is enough enough? I saw the sign, and it opened up my eyes. I saw the sign. Life is demanding without understanding. I saw the sign, and it opened up my eyes. I saw the sign. No one's gonna drag you up to get into the light where you belong.
Yo, this is something coming from the non-deuce. Another fat track, so rhythm deep on the old shit. And let's relax while sipping on yak because it's like that. I'm conscious of foes, so pick up what is broke, I like it. I wear a jacket for the skin, that's in the wrong trench. From row C, then yo, I know she's on the 9 inch. Just to get a piece of degree, but she's an undertaker. Not know what that paper is around the world, heartbreaker. Let me say I feel for yo, had to have a breakdown. Pay you fools, so now you know. While my belly's round, picking it right back up and scooping across the find a stool shovel. Not from the ghetto, but yo, take you to another level. Not to be fried, but hold on to your woman G, cause now that I'm rich, so many women wanna do me. And make a man say, damn. I finally texted more than your homie Sam. Now let me speak for the week, I mean the rookies. My time is held up extremely for cookies. Just let me clock this grip in 92. And you don't bother me and I sure never won't bother you.
When I wake up, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who wakes up next to you. When I go out, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who goes along with you. If I get drunk, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who gets drunk next to you. And if I heaver, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who's heavering to you. But I would walk 500 miles and I would walk 500 more just to be the man who walked 1,000 miles to fall down at your door.
If I should stay, I would only be in your way, so I'll go, but I know I'll think of you every step of the way. And will always love you. Will always love you. You, my darling, you. Bittersweet memories, that is all I'm taking with me. So goodbye, please don't cry. We both know I'm not what you need.